Good morning.
And good morning all my dear friends.
Good morning.
My name is Payal Chandil and I am from Jambara. Today I am here to do a group discussion on the topic of job versus business. So, and also I am going to lead this group. So I want to know your my GD members introduction. So I want to start from you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. I am Sandhya Suryavanshi and I am from Demni, and today I am here to do GD with topic of job versus business. And thank you so much to give me this opportunity.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And good morning, okay. And I live in Sadar Batul. Today, I am here to perform in GD on the topic of job versus business. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to participate in GD.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And good morning, all dear friends.
Good morning.
I am Priya and I am from Batul. And today I am here to participate in group discussion. And thank you so much, sir, and my leader to provide me opportunity to participate in GD.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear friends.
Good morning.
My name is Rishit Kumre. Today I am here to do GD with my friends, and thank you, sir, for this opportunity.
Good morning, sir,
Good morning.
and my all dear friends.
Good morning.
My name is Mona Rahman, and I am from Batul. And here I am present for GD with my friends. And thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, so firstly we are here to discuss on the topic of job versus business. So first thing, when we are going in water, so we should know about the depth of water, because if we are going in water without knowing about the depth of water, so we can fall down and we can dip in. So first thing, we before discussing on the topic, we all know that what is job and what is business, and why we need job and business. So I want to know from you, Sandhya, what is jobs?
Jobs, when we work on other honor, under the other honor, and work for him and get salary from his or her. So we do job.
So I want to know from you, Riya, what is business?
Business is that when we start our own business, means own work, and it will lead us. So that is business.
That is business. So what is your opinion about it, Shivani?
On the business,
Yeah, business and jobs also.
everyone wants to earn money on the way of doing job or business. So we want to earn money. So everyone have a quality for earn money. So they use for in this way. Someone get a job. Someone want to a job, but someone want to a business. Someone want to they work under the boss, but someone want to a leader, means their own business, their own work, and they have means they have lot of get a lot of money for only their self.
Okay, so my also a question that why we need to job. So Mona, what do you think that why we need job or business?
According to me, the business and job.
Yeah.
So the job is this.
Speaking.
So the according to Shraddha, she said you have to job under, you have to work under the someone's owner is that it is a job. And according to Riya, the business that you have to establish your own business and you have to lead it. It is a business.
Okay, but why we need a job or business?
Job is that in which we have to earn, we have to qualify. Your qualification, it provides you a job, but in business you have to no need of qualification. In any age you have to start a business.
Okay, so the conclusion is we need job or business for earning money, and also people are want to provide some good qualities. So nowadays we are not looking that the purpose of many jobs and the business is that to provide a good qualities. So what do you think about it, Riya?
Yeah, many people wants to do a job and someone wants to a business. So if anyone don't want to work under, so they start up their own business. And if anyone afraid this, someone thinks that they are not grow in business, and in a business many risk, and this is uncertain, so they are doing a job, because in a job we have get a salary in a last of month, and they thinks that job is more secure, because in a business there are many risks about the if we are investment in a money in a business, so sometimes we get a profit and sometimes we get a loss.
So do you agree with Riya, Sandhya?
Yeah, I am fully agree with Riya, but I think government jobs are better. There, I mean, jobs, two types of job. We do private sector job or government sector job. So in private sector we do job. So our salary is not that much.
But there is also many frustrations.
Yeah,
Yeah, and you have to face the lots of problem, and you have to get burden from your honor.
So there is always no, the qualification is required, na? And if we have not that much qualification, so we join like that. If we join any IITs or some qualities industries, so we get a lot of earn money. But when we are normally educated, not that much, so we not.
I think this is the myth, because of not many IITians don't have a job.
Yeah.
It is totally only a skills. If we have a skill, so we are doing our own business, also doing a job. So that is not we say that if anyone is a IITian, NITian, and also a doctor means medical. So
But in medical field, many more jobs are there in nowadays, like Corona's time period. So there is also require many doctors.
Yeah, but they not a good. They lost so many people's life.
Yeah.
They treated,
I
but
right, but I think government job is government, and
And
people think that we are doing some works in under of government, and we are not. Actually, the salary is already limited. So why we do lots of work? We our work is 9 to 5. Then we can also do it 9 to 5.
So in business, if we think about business, so our mind was also in depression.
Yeah, right.
If we get not profit or
Yeah, that is the biggest problem. So, what is your experience about it, Rishika?
I think business is good because if you want a lot of money, so in business you earn.
But how can you start your business? There is also you
Yeah.
need to money.
Yeah, but
there are many sector to means loan.
Yeah,
Bank
but,
provide loan.
Okay, it is okay if your business is, goes very nice and it is works, but it is in loss. Then how can you cooperate with it?
So you have a plan and you have to choose means you have to proper plan to how you when means how to start your business, and then you get a loss to how to get a more and more money like that.
And in my opinion, I think business is the mental game. If
Yeah.
you are if you have a think as a proper way, means if you have a mentally strong, so you overcome this problem. And if you start any business, so you study about it, and if you have any loss, so you overcome that.
Yeah, and in business, means no more you get education. Means you have only to read content you understand. Means some languages and some local languages. So you have open your own business and you control them.
But in business there are many more risks also.
This is
But
also-
job
Yeah.
also many risk.
But
You have no power to anyone wants to lose your job.
But I mean, there is job and business also. There is many disadvantages and advantages also.
Yeah, and I think government jobs is a secure future. If you are retired from it, then you can also get pension from it.
But pension is cancelled.
After
Yeah,
2003.
nowadays, yeah.
Nowadays.
Yeah, and
But
other
there are
side-
135 crore population, and if we talk about the government job, so there is very few. So many people do their own
On business.
yeah,
or
but bank
Yeah, but
also
if
provide
you are-
us pension. Means if our money in few part we secure in bank and after we retire, so they get a pension in a 1 month after the month.
I think in our state, NP, there is agriculture is very.
Yeah, that is also a business.
So it's a business. We start from agriculture. I mean, we have any field or land, so we do farm.
But in this career, in this line, I mean to say that in agriculture there is
Yeah.
lots of struggle. You can see that when you are going to village and then
Yeah.
ask them how is the struggle of it. And there is lots of if running is good, then it is good. But there is also a lots of losses if there is no and their crops are also harmful.
So we do it technically also. I mean, by
Yeah, but-
well and also.
But in earth no water. So how can we say that?
Yeah. So what is your experience? Yeah, your opinion about it, Mona? What do you think that agriculture is good or not?
Agriculture is always good.
Always good.
Yeah, in business, because if you lost that, the many circumstances come in the agriculture field, like heavy rainfall, the heat attack, and that all in corona situation we have to see and listen the news. But the government provide many loans schemes, and they forgive you in loans, and they provide many schemes like BT Vicha, in agriculture they provide you many loans.
Yes.
And the business and the job is, if you are qualified to the job, then you have to earn this job. But around this no one can achieve the jobs. But the business is in business all one is equal, and all one is set up their own business, and money is required in both, because you have to qualify in this someone, so you have to study in any field, so you have to the money is also given that in business also.
But in the business, you have already need to some employment.
Yeah, without any
Employees.
you have to know set up. You have to do not set up a business, but business is like this. You have to believe in yourself, and in job, the someone believes in you. This is the difference between job and business, firstly, and the secondly, if you if you set up a alone business, then you have to invest your own money. This is the.
But Mona, I think if we start business in village, so there is many villagers are unemployed. So
Yeah,
we
they
give
do.
employment also.
But your family members, your relatives, your friends has to earn, and the banks is also they give your loan on your 10 12 base results.
But loan is not a very good decision, I think, according to me, because if you are not, there are many farmers in the village that they can commit suicide because they are not paying for loan at the time. So what is your?
But at that time I'm not listen the because the loan is because of this, because the villagers have no idea, they have no plan to how to save money. That's why they have lack of money, that's why they suicide, not of the loans and that.
And they have no bill power, I think.
Yeah,
Means
that is also.
they choose a way to suicide. Means
And
they
suicide
discuss
is not a
they
just problem.
discuss about many
Not a
things.
solution of any problem.
But in a village, there are many people, many villagers are not educated well. So that's why I say.
But
that is wrong. They are also
educated and
Nowadays,
they have power to understand their methods. And anyone go to in village and they teach how to control any machines, so they understand very well and they do a proper way.
But I think in my village, and also I'm the daughter of farmer. So this is that many farmers are not able to do a technical, means many machines. If we talk about in in this time, it's a cropping. So the harvester and this machine price is in a 1 hour for 1600 to 1800. So there are many acre jameen. So they have pay a lot of money. And if we went to if we going to for selling this grain, so I think this price is very less, because of in this society there are many prices, means in a education, in a medical, and this is not sufficient for a small farmers, means they have only a 2 or 3 acre land.
Lands, yeah. I'm totally agree with you, Ria, because nowadays there is also people are wasting lots of money on this because there is no employment.
And in agriculture, it is not based on a human. This is only it depends on a climate. And now this 2 or 3 days ago, there are atmosphere of rain. So many farmers are afraid because of their crops are not cut and their grains are not in their house. So because of their 4 to 6 months, their 6 to 7 months their hard work in this field. So that is I think not we says that we take a loan and we doing a business on the agriculture.
So I think if it is better way to start business in village also.
In the village, I don't think that business is good because
Why?
because if your business is goes good, then
Yeah.
it is nice. But how? But there is no, people are not aware about the business, and they think that why we need to business.
But
They-
in city, many are
Yeah, in the cities-
competition. You know that.
Yeah, there is also competition.
Means you want to open a coaching class. So in a 1 to 4 colony, there are many
There is many
coaching
coaching
classes.
classes, yeah.
So how to say says that business are means your business is good.
If we provide a quality of education and also quality of things.
So how you think that means in starting there are many coaching. So in your coaching classes no one come. So you think that I have a plan, I have developed. So you have a way to means anyone come to in coaching. So you says that.
Yeah, Shivani, that is right. But I think that if you are going to do something, firstly you should aware of it, and firstly you have to plan of it, and already you have to you have to see your financial condition, and you have to also see your educational condition. And if you are thought that your business is goes good, then you think already first your all skills like education, your financial condition, and your experience also is good. Then you can also do your business.
I'm fully agree with you because of if anyone start their business, so they have also a backup plan, and I don't think that they thinks that if someone come in my coaching and I run the coaching. Yeah.
But everyone has no job because no, everyone has no job
Because this is the problem of humans, because the individuals are this time they are very lazy. They are only that they have a time to 25 age, and they spend the time on only the social media and running and going to anyone and shit.
And
They are not
side
working.
part of this because if you are eligible, then you have to get a job. But in India, we are a developing, we are not developed. So because of this, every business is one of the most scope. So everyone, there is a no age limit of business because everyone start a business in any age.
So the conclusion is, I think jobs and business both are good. They are on places. So first thing about it, we have to aware of it. If you are going to do anything, jobs or business, first you have to aware of it. So that is the very nice discussion with all of you. Thank you so much for